Hello everyone, I am Revanth. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome all you teachers to the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI, Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Now we are going to discuss about different types of innovation ideas using in lessons. Using different types of innovation ideas in lessons helps the students to learn in a most joyful and in a friendly environment. It connects the students with their real life, day-to-day life atmosphere. Now we are going to discuss about the NCERT board classes first, and the subject is mathematics and the lesson name is numbers. So numbers are the most basic and essential things in mathematics and also in all other subjects. So making the students to know about and learn well about numbers, we are using the innovation idea now is called wrong chart teaching method. Wrong chart teaching method is a type of a revision based innovation idea. It helps the students to connect with their activity lesson with their day-to-day real life activity. The main concept in this innovation idea is making the wrongly mentioned statements, sentences which are connecting with the lessons, and making the students to correct the wrongly mentioned sentence linked with the lessons. So we are mentioning the wrong statements related to the lesson and making the students to correct the right sentences. So it helps the students to revise and recollect the lessons which we taught on the classroom. So in this number lessons, in this mathematics, the concept covered through this wrong chart teaching method is missing words. First one is missing words, and second one is recognizing the tenses and onces. Like there will be a tens digited and also a ones digited. So the making the students to recognize about the ones and tenses in the number, and also making the students to recognizing the numbers from 1 to 100. So making the students to counting and recognizing the numbers between 1 to 100. So these are the concepts covered in this innovation idea called the wrong chart teaching method in this numbers lesson. So while doing this activity, we are going to make the wrongly mentioned sentences related to the lessons. For example, in the numbers count, there will be always a order, right? From 51 to 60, there would be 10 numbers in between. 51, 52, 53, like this till 60 would be there. In the board, we are going to mentioning there are different types of wrong numbers in between the numbers count. Let's take an example between 51 to 60. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55 till 60 would be there, but the wrongly mentioned sentence we have been injecting into this number is 51, 52, 53, 58, 59, 61. So the students would be thinking about where is the missing numbers right there. So in this, what we are going to do is we are going to make this activity with all the students in the classroom. So we are making the students to get the students to one by one, making them to find and recognize the missing words or the recognizing the numbers. So we are calling one student called Rahul. He is getting up. So we are giving the activity for the Rahul is we are mentioned the 51 to 60 in the wrong chart method. Like there is a missing from 54 to 58 is missing, 60 is missing in that count. So we are making the students Rahul to read out that chart and make the Rahul to find what is the wrongly mentioned statement over there. So Rahul would be reading 51, 52, 53 is there, 58 is there, 59, then 61 is there. So Rahul will be seeing where is 56, 57, 58 and all missing. So the Rahul will tell that there is a missing numbers called 53, next to that 54, 55, 56, 57 is missing. So 4 numbers are mixing in between. So Rahul takes the chart and he comes to the board and he would be writing the missing words in between the 54 and 58. So this makes the students to revise the counting of numbers and recognition of numbers from 1 to 100. And also after finding that, we are going to make the students to sometimes asking like if he is telling that 54 is missing or something, we can make the students to also revise about tenses and onces through this activity. By doing this activity, like linking the wrongly mentioned statement about the lesson and making the students to correct and revise the lesson, helps the students to revise the lessons which we taught on the class previously, and also makes the students to connect with the lesson and make the students to remember and revise the lesson in a easy manner. So this is the innovation idea called wrong chart teaching method used in this lesson numbers. So more about different types of innovation ideas using in lessons you can see through our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Thank you.